Grade 9 Financial Mathematics Examination questions. Here is a very good example of what you may expect in a grade 9 mathematics examination paper. Andrew and Zinzi are arguing about investing money that they received for Christmas. They each received 1,750 rand. Andrew invests his money at AB Bank for 3 years at a compound interest rate of 14% per annum. Zinzi invests her money at BC Bank, earning 15% simple interest per annum for over a period of 3 years. Using calculations to support your answer, determine which investment is the better option. Now, we are using two formulas, the formula for simple interest and the formula for compound interest. So what you need now is you must make sure you know your formulas very well. When you read the examination questions, you listen very well so that you determine which formula to apply. The formula depends on what they say there. So let's start with the first calculation. Andrew's investment was done for 3 years. That means in this particular case, n is equal to 3. So we have got the value of n. Then the interest rate is 14%. So I is equal to 14 over 100. Then the interest is compound interest. That is what they are telling us here. So for Andrew's investment, we need the compound interest formula. So you write the formula down. A is equal to P factor of 1 plus I to the power of n. In place of P, we put the amount that was invested, 1,750. Then in place of I, it's 14%, which is 14 over 100. In place of n, we have n is equal to 3. Then after that substitution, you type this expression in your calculator. It will tell you the answer. So Andrew's investment grew to 2,592.7. That is the amount of money that Andrew got after his investment. Then Zinzi, let's have a calculation for Zinzi here to determine how much money she got at the end of the investment. So she invested at 15% per annum. That is the value of I. She invested for 3 years. That is the value of N. She invested under simple interest. Therefore, for Zinzi, we need the simple interest formula. Write down the formula. A is equal to P factor of 1 plus I to the times N. P is the money that she invested, 1,750. Then the value of I, that is the rate of interest, 15%. Percent means over 100, multiplied by the number of years, which is equal to 3. Then from there, you get your calculator, you work it out. The amount of money is 2,537 rand.5. That is the amount of money that Zinzi got from her investment. Now, you need to determine which investment is a better option. Andrew's investment or Zinzi's investment. Now, this is an investment. So the better option is the one that offers more interest. So if we look at our two values, we notice that Andrew got more money than Zinzi, even though the difference is not very big, but the fact is that Andrew got more money than Zinzi. Therefore, Andrew's investment is better. That is our answer for this question. So if we can be able to make sure you read to determine what is the type of interest so that you choose the right formula. What is I, the rate of interest, what is N, and then you substitute and use a calculator. So in our question in this case is answered. If you are doing an investment, the better option is the one that offers more money. If you are investing, the better option is the one that offers more interest. But if you are borrowing, money. If this was a loan, the better option will be the one that offers less interest, that charge you less interest. So to say it again, when you are investing money, the better option is the one that gives you more interest. But if you are borrowing money, the better option is the one that charges you less interest. That is a very good question, grade 9 financial mathematics.